Hey everybody, this is Kerry from the Schmidt House, and we're out here at our cabin this weekend. We're just going to spend the night out here. We came out here to top off a deer feeder, which we already did. Found a water leak we repaired, and we're going to hang out, do a little cooking, make some hot dogs. We bought us a drone, and we haven't really flew it yet. We just kind of let it hover in the backyard the other day at the house. But we want to try to fly it for the first time and get a little bit more familiar with it, and just relax and drink a few cold ones and have a good time. Watch the kids fight.
Already fighting.
Daddy long
That
legs.
didn't take long.
Daddy long leg.
I've been on here, but I don't want to be.
They're nice.
Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of target practice. Shoot some cans.
It's very quiet, guys, so just to... I know! I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to them.
Okay, now remember, Army, safety is off right now. If I push the... Does that feel more natural?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Line it up with that, and then point it at the can you want to shoot.
Beat. Yes!
That was the problem. Okay, Harmony, remember, first thing, you gotta always put the safety on, okay?
I want to do it.
Okay, you...
I let me try to do it.
Remember, you don't have shoes on.
Right at the top.
We're both hitting at the top.
That was my first time I actually hit it.
No wonder it was so awkward. You were shooting with the wrong eye.
Good job.
You want to try again?
Yeah, it's fun. Don't you hit me!
We won't. It's pointed up.
No.
Hold on. Let's wait till Avery gets... Come back over here, Avery. Sit back here with us. Okay. Okay, Harmony. Let's do it the other way. Remember, this hand goes up here now. Put it in your shoulder. You hit it. I think you hit it.
I think I did hit it.
Just didn't... It didn't fall over. Which one were you aiming at?
I was aiming at the pink.
Remember, here's...
You got it,
There we go.
I ordered to buy behind, Daddy.
No, stay right here. Oh, you missed that. Safety on. Safety back on. That's okay. Okay. Okay.
I can put it
Now.
inside for you.
Put this in line with the red thing, in line with the can. And let's see. There's the trigger way up here. Can you take this hand and just kind of hold it up here? There we go. And you got to pull the trigger, okay? Is it lined up? Line them up with one of the cans. You pull the trigger when you're ready. Oh, good try. You want to try one more time? Okay.
I wasn't filming her. I forgot. Sorry, Avery.
That sounds weird.
Okay. Okay, put that back there. Take this hand and put this hand right there. Just right there, kind of right there. Okay, safety's off. Now then, line this up. Let me see. Line it up with the can. I'm not going to touch it. You pull the trigger when you're ready.
It do stop lemonade scene. It do fun. I will do hit a lemonade scene.
Oh, let me see. Line it up with the can. I'm not going to touch it. You pull the trigger when you're ready.
Is it video on?
Yeah.
Yes, Houston.
I named it out Houston.
You're acting like it.
Shoot!
Oh, you got that one.
You nailed that
Let's
one.
go! You want to see it?
You don't have to pick them up on me.
Oh, yeah.
Just look at them. Don't pick them up.
1, 5. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay away from Harmony. Ooh, that was a close one. You right here?
Cheater.
Wait, can I go back?
No, you let go. Oh, there you go. Okay, my turn again.
I still can come on
Oh,
into
6. Let's see. Let's see. Stay away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Daddy's flying the drone.
What's that?
It's way over there. We'll have to insert some video footage from up above of our pond and the feeder and the property. Sound good?
Yep.
See those mud spots? Catfish. Okay, let's set the feeder off. There are some big catfish in this pond. Well, that looks like a little one. Wow. They're going to help us mix up the pond dye. This dye also helps kill algae. Part of the reason we put it in. It'll make the water clearer afterwards. What are y'all doing?
Starting a fire. Well, we're gonna make one later. Yeah, we're
You're just collecting wood before it rains?
So the wood can get wet and won't burn anyway.
Oh man, I almost got him. Oh man. I'm sure Ticket won. Yes, got one. Are you guys scared of spiders? These guys can't hurt you. They don't have mouths to bite you with. They can't hurt you.
Can you touch it?
Can't really even feel them.
Yeah, you can't hardly even feel it.
That's why whenever I drop it, I know I dropped it until I touched it, until I looked down. I was like,
Oh, was it crawling on Harmony?
no. I just had stuff on it. So I was like this. I didn't even know I dropped it. I didn't even know I dropped it until I...
Get it, Avery.
Where did it go?
Get it, Avery.
Where'd it go?
Is it on Avery's leg?
Is it on you, Avery?
No. You want me to let you hold one, Avery?
They run fast, don't they?
They
Yeah,
do, actually. What are you doing over here?
Trim some trees. Trim these cedars. Making a little spot to put our shower.
That'll be nice.
Our cold water shower.
Yeah. And a nice little play area. Shaded play area.
Yeah, having some serious issues with the chainsaw, but trim these up a little bit. Set this stand over there. Put us a barrel on top of it filled with water. Have a little spigot coming out. We'll have water take shower.
Sounds nice.
And if we can clean up all these dead limbs and stuff, yeah, it'd be a shady spot for the kids to play in. This is an old cedar. I was a little kid shooting ringtails out here with my dad out of this tree.
Yeah, that's pretty big.
Half dead, but
Yeah.
still hanging in.
Oh, look at the raccoon footprint.
Where?
Right there, I think. That's the raccoon.
Let me see. Yeah, kind of does look like a raccoon footprint.
I'm pointing there to...
Mm-hmm.
Wow, something's stirring up the water over here.
That's too much trouble to do it with a stick today. We're just going to do it the easy way.
Avery found a scorpion. Oh, it just went under there. Do you see it disappeared?
That thing was alive.
Ooh, that was creepy.
I want to go down.
Okay,
Throw a rock on
Look
it.
at it.
Throw a
That's
rock on it.
cool.
isn't that cool? No,
One
Avery.
of his pinchers is gone.
Yeah. Oh, man. And it's-
See it, Avery?
Hold on,
No, stay
Avery.
here. It won't get you.
We're watching it.
See it all curled up in that little ball there?
Am I picturing like it's playing dead?
Well, we're not going back yet.
We'll go back in a few minutes.
Animals pretend like they play dead to protect
Isn't that
themselves.
cool?
Mhm.
Avery. No. Well, okay, it's Sunday morning. Weekend's over. We were gonna do breakfast out here this morning, but just didn't have it in me to have to dirty up a bunch more dishes and have to clean them up. So we're gonna go home, eat breakfast at home. But we had a good weekend. Didn't do a lot of work, just a lot of relaxing. Filled a deer feeder, put up a new game camera. We actually checked it this morning. There was a lot of pictures on it. Worked really well. So we'll be showing some of them in upcoming videos. Also flew our drone, really for the first time. We flew it a little bit at the house the other day, but we flew it quite a bit here this weekend. And it was pretty neat. Pretty easy to fly, nothing to them really. Always been a little intimidated by them, but it was just nothing to them. You know, the kids had fun. We brought a black light and played around with that after dark and saw a scorpion, a few little bugs and surprises there. It was kind of neat the way everything showed up in that. But that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you think about subscribing. That'd be great. God bless.